before serving his 7-month conviction and sentence in March 2024 on obstruction charges. Amos Chanda was on May 10, 2024, given another custodial sentence of 1 year for stealing and destroying court exhibits. The former presidential aide, now a member of the ruling UPND, was found guilty of burning court exhibits connected to a case in which he was a third accused person. He was jointly charged with Intelligent Mobility Solutions Board Chairman Walid El Nahas and former Road Transport and Safety Agency RTSA Chief Executive Officer Zindawa Soko. However, on May 12, 2020, then Director of Public Prosecutions DPP Lillian Siyunyi entered a nolle prosequi and the three were discharged. The accusations arose from an audio recording in which Mr. Chanda was allegedly heard confessing that he had stolen the exhibits. Magistrate Wishimanga said the case against Mr. Chanda could not have been fabricated by the state, thus finding him guilty. However, the findings of the lower court have been overturned by the Lusaka High Court Judge Stumbeko Chocho. The High Court has found that the lower court relied on discredited evidence from a device that had been tampered with. It has further noted that the lower court ignored crucial testimony from 3 court officials who stated that the record in question was merely missing, not stolen. These are the custodians of the record, and they said it was not stolen. Who then is the complainant here? None, Judge Chocho remarked. She also pointed out discrepancies in witness testimony, including a claim that the recording was made 20 hours before the accused arrived at a named hotel in Lusaka, raising serious doubts about its credibility. Judge Chocho emphasized that the burden of proof lies with the prosecution and must be beyond reasonable doubt, which he said the state failed to meet. Judge Chocho explained that the elements of theft as defined in the Penal Code require proof that theft occurred and that the accused was responsible. In this case, she says, there was no evidence that Mr. Chanda stole the record or permanently deprived the owner. Judge Chocho has concluded that the trial court had ignored the testimonies of the 3 court officials and that there was no expert evidence to prove the voice in the recording was Mr. Chanda'S. Ultimately, the High Court has found that even the trial court acknowledged there was no evidence Mr. Chanda stole the record. Chanda'S, Diamond News.